Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY we are going to be using the sink mat that I found at Dollar Tree. And I'm also using one of these 9-inch cylinder vases from Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to line this here and see about where I want to cut the mat. Okay, have an idea. So I need to cut just a little bit off the top. Just like that. And I'm going to line it right on the top. So now I need to get an idea how long I need it to be. The outside of this mat is flat. You see these little circles? That's flat. If you go on the inside, you feel like a little bit of a point. So you want that to be on the inside. So I'm going to line this up evenly and see exactly where I need to cut it. Once I line it up, I see where it needs to be cut, then I cut it, okay? Once I cut it, I spray paint it silver, just like this. Again, you'll see these little ridges. That goes on the inside. But before we do that, I'm going to take this outside and spray it with this Gorilla Spray Adhesive. And this stuff is really strong, so make sure you use a respirator mask, something that's going to really protect you, okay? So I'm going to spray the whole mat, and then I'm going to apply this silver glitter right on top of the adhesive. So once the glitter is dry, I'm going to cover it with some of this semi-gloss clear spray paint. Now you can also use hairspray, okay? Okay guys, I'm back, and this is the sticky side, and here's my glitter side. And I also have some sheets of paper here. You can also use some wax paper or parchment paper. I have some tape. So now I'm going to take my cylinder vase, and I'm going to line it up with the top, lift it up on this side, and carefully roll it. And now I'm going to take my paper and cover this side. What I'm doing is creating pressure to help the glue adhere to my vase. Now this side is exposed, so I'm going to take a second sheet and just go ahead and roll it on top like so. Now, of course, you will have a little glitter. We can clean that up later. I'm going to go ahead and put that there. So now just go around and press down on it. I'm also going to take my scissors and just cut off any excess mat that I have extending past the glass. Here's what it looks like on the inside. So I'm going to allow that to set up and completely dry, and then we'll come back and move on to the next step. Okay, so next up I have another cylinder vase, and this one is 6 inches, and I think I found this one at Goodwill. So this time around, I went through the same steps as I did before, but I didn't spray paint it. And now I'm going to allow them both to completely dry. Okay guys, I'm back. It's the very next day. I'm going to go ahead and remove the paper. Okay, and this is what we have. So now I'm going to clean the bottom. And now I'm going to glue on one of these Dollar Tree glass candle holders. I'm going to take some of my UV resin and put it right around the rim of the candle holder. And now I'm going to take my UV flashlight and cure the resin. And just like that, it's on there. Now I notice some of this is coming up, so I'm going to take some of my Dollar Tree FIXALL Alright guys, so as for the lid, we will be using this lid from this jar. This is from Dollar Tree as well. So just going to pop this open. I'm going to take some needle nose pliers and just pull this wire up like this. Take that off. And now you have a lid. Go ahead and clean the lid with some alcohol. I'm going to glue this to the lid, and again I'm going to use some more of the UV resin. Put it right in the center. Just that fast it's sticking, I'm going to flip it over and seal it even better from the inside. And now I'm going to take one row of this diamond bling and put it inside this little crevice right here. Alright, just like that. Cylinder vase. Here's what it looks like, completely clear. I actually thought about doing a white vase with a black mat, so I might come back and do that later. So again, I'll take one of these Dollar Tree candle holders and glue it to the base. So now I'm just going to flip this over and put this on the inside and let it cure from the inside as well. So now I'm going to take some of this bling and put it around the top and the bottom. And I'm going to start in the back. So now you see what it looks like if it's left clear. And then if you want to, you can add some rhinestones to it to accent. So I went ahead and put some around this one as well, top and bottom. Now if you wanted to, you can come in on these circles that's going all the way around and add some round rhinestones to it if you want to. But yeah, you can go ahead and put whatever you want on the inside. You can do these any color you like, it's totally up to you. And you can also use these as candle holders. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the tops on. Top number 1, top number 2, and I actually have a second one of these, so I'm going to put them all on display and let you see what they look like. And as promised, here's my gorgeous, never before seen Dollar Tree Apothecary Jars. And I absolutely adore them. And the cool thing about these is that you can make them in any color. You can actually do 2 colors. And I'm going to come back with a design using 2 colors, but I'm going to share that on my other YouTube channel. Comment below if you would make these, and if so, then what color. I've decided that my upload days will be every Monday and Thursday, and look for a special DIY here and there as well. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe.